Have you ever wondered how you can make money by testing websites and apps from the comfort of your home? Well, today we're going to explore that very idea. Welcome to the fascinating world of website and app testing, a realm where your feedback can translate into cash. So what does website and app testing entail? Simple. It's all about assessing how well or perhaps not so well certain websites and apps function. You'll be navigating through different interfaces, clicking buttons, filling out forms, and then sharing your thoughts on the experience. Is the site easy to use? Does the app load quickly? Your insight into these questions and many more is exactly what developers are looking for to improve their digital platforms. By testing websites and apps, you're not only earning money but also contributing to the creation of smoother, user-friendly digital experiences. Intriguing, isn't it? Let's dive into the process of becoming a tester. Now, you might ask, what do I need to become a tester? Well, let's dive right into the essentials. First and foremost, you need to be at least 18 years old. It's a legal thing, you know. Next, you'll need some hardware. A computer with a steady internet connection is a must. And don't forget the microphone. You're going to be sharing your thoughts out loud, so clear audio is key. But what if I want to test mobile apps? Good question. For that, you'll need an Android or iOS mobile phone or tablet. So if you're a tech junkie with various gadgets at your disposal, you're in luck. Now let's talk about language. Some testing websites may require you to be fluent in a specific language. So check the language requirements before you apply. Once you've checked off these requirements, you're ready to apply. So how does one apply to become a tester, you may ask? Well, let's dive right into it. The application process for website and app testing jobs typically involves completing a sample test. This test allows the company to gauge your aptitude for the task at hand, your keen eye for detail, your ability to provide constructive feedback, and your overall familiarity with the digital landscape. This sample test is a crucial part of your application. It's your chance to showcase your skills and make a strong first impression. So take your time, make sure you understand what's asked of you, and give it your all. Once you've submitted your sample test, the waiting game begins. The timeline for approval can vary depending on the company and the volume of applications they're dealing with. It could be a matter of days, or it could take a few weeks. Patience, as they say, is a virtue. While you wait, don't sit idle. Keep honing your skills, keep exploring new apps and websites, and stay up to date with the latest digital trends. And then, one day, you'll receive the news you've been eagerly waiting for. Your application has been approved. Congratulations! From this point forward, you'll start receiving testing opportunities. Each one a chance to put your skills to the test, to help shape the digital world, and of course, to earn some money while you're at it. After your application is approved, you'll start receiving opportunities to test websites and apps. So, are you ready to take the leap? Now, the most important question: how much can you earn by testing websites and apps? Well, the answer to that depends on a few factors. Firstly, the length of the test. Some tests might take just a few minutes, while others might require a more substantial time commitment. Naturally, you'll earn more for tests that require more of your time. Secondly, the complexity of the test also plays a role. If a test requires more in-depth analysis or feedback, that can also influence the payment you receive. Now, once you've completed a test, you won't receive payment immediately. Payments are typically made 7 days after the completion of a test. And how do you receive your hard-earned money? Well, it's all done through PayPal, so make sure you have an account set up and ready to receive funds. So, as you can see, testing websites and apps can be a profitable and flexible way to earn money from home. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to becoming a website and app tester. We've delved into the requirements, from being at least 18, having the necessary tech, to possibly meeting language prerequisites. We've walked through the application process, the waiting game, and finally the joy of approval. We've also touched on the payment structure, the 7-day waiting period, and the variability of pay based on test length. Now, why not give it a try? You might just find a new, enjoyable way to earn money from home.